He saw your message. And he didn't reply. Now your mind is racing. Did I say something wrong? Is he losing interest? Should I text again? Stop. Because what you do in the next 24 hours will either increase his attraction or slowly train him to value you less. Today I'm going to show you exactly what to do when he leaves you unread and why most women handle this completely wrong. Part 1. Understand what unread really means. First, breathe. A man leaving you on unread does not automatically mean he doesn't like you. He found someone else. You messed up. It means one thing. You are not his current priority in that moment. And here's the hard truth, chasing priority never creates priority. If you panic and double text, you communicate. I need reassurance more than I value my position. Attraction drops when anxiety rises. Part 2. The biggest mistake women make. The mistake. Trying to regain control through more effort. You send. Hello. Are you busy? Did you see my message? Now the dynamic shifts. He feels pressure. You feel exposed. And pressure kills curiosity. A man is most drawn to what feels calm, confident, and slightly unpredictable. Not available on demand. Part 3. What you should do instead. Step 1. Mirror energy. If it takes 6 hours to reply, you don't respond in 30 seconds next time. You subtly communicate. I operate at your pace. No drama. No announcements. Just behavioral alignment. High-value people don't overextend. Step 2. Reclaim your focus immediately. This is where most people fail. Instead of staring at your phone, you shift energy into gym, work, business, learning, friends, self-improvement. Attraction grows when your life is full. When a man senses you have options, momentum, and purpose, your silence becomes powerful. You stop reacting. You start living. And that changes everything. Step 3. Say nothing emotional. No passive-aggressive quotes. No sad status updates. No indirect messages. Silence is strongest when it's clean. If he replies later, you respond normally. Calm. Unbothered. Centered. You don't reward inconsistency with extra excitement. Consistency gets access. Part 4. Why this actually works. Human beings value what feels scarce. If you are always instantly available, instantly reactive, instantly emotional, there is no mystery. When you create space, he wonders. And curiosity builds attraction more than reassurance ever will. If he genuinely likes you, he'll adjust. If he doesn't, you just saved yourself months of emotional investment. That's power. Part 5. But what if he keeps doing it? Now let's be real. If he constantly leaves you unread, disappears, and resurfaces when convenient, that's not confusion. That's low effort. And here's the mindset shift. You don't compete for attention. You observe effort. If he wants access to you, he'll show consistency. If not, let him go early. Chasing someone who is unsure about you slowly destroys your self-worth. You don't need to guard a man who truly values you. Part 6. The energy shift that changes everything. The goal isn't to make him chase. The goal is to stop chasing. There's a difference. One is manipulation. The other is self-respect. When your life becomes the focus, two things happen. 1. The wrong men disappear. 2. The right ones step up. Either way, you win. Listen carefully. If a man likes you, he doesn't forget you exist. He may get busy. He may delay. But consistent disinterest speaks louder than excuses. You don't need to beg for communication. You need to build a life so strong that being left unread feels small, not devastating. The moment you stop chasing, you start choosing. And that's where real attraction begins. If this message hit you, subscribe. Because we don't chase here. We level up. And if you've ever been left unread, comment. Silence wins. Let's build stronger standards together.